705, detectable warnings, they go hand in hand with curb ramps, and we see them all over the place. It's not required by the 2010 ADAS, except if you use the 2010 ADAS for transportation, the DOT's version, not the DOJ's version. Department of Transportation Standards 406.8. Then curb ramps are required there. So basically at transit facilities, Federal Highway Administration funded project, because they are basically a DOT branch. And public sidewalks, PROAG, the final rule on PROAG has been adopted. So as soon as they put out the regulations on that stuff, we're going to need those on public sidewalks. But as of now, and according to the DOJ 2010 ADAS, they are not required except in these circumstances. And they're not required on curb ramps at other facilities or vehicular areas within a site. So transit facilities, DOTs, if you're using the DOT standards, FHWA funded projects, because they're also DOT, and now public sidewalks due to PROAG.